Hello you guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. It's been a little while since I've done a video in this format, so I'm really excited. I decided that for the sake of the upcoming holiday, which is Juneteenth, that I would do a video using siser easy patterns. So this is the shirt right here using the easy patterns, and it was really easy to work with. Before we get started, check out all of our social medias for this channel, which is Marcella's Way on TikTok and Marcella's Way on Instagram. And make sure that if you have not subscribed to this channel, you go ahead and click that red button down here below the video, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be notified for any upcoming videos that I have on this channel. And down in the comment section, I want you guys to put a bumblebee for if you guys are new to this channel, and a flower if you are a returning viewer to this channel. And you guys, we are doing a giveaway for this video. It is a small giveaway, but it's something just to give back to you guys for being so supportive to this channel. All you have to do to be a part of this giveaway is be a subscriber to this channel, like this video, and comment "done" in the comment section. It's that easy. Stay tuned for the next video to see who the giveaway winner is. Without further ado, let's get to this video. Okay, so we have our design here, and I have it in the cut area. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the design just as is. I'm not gonna flip it. I'm gonna leave it exactly how it is, as if I were cutting self-adhesive vinyl. I'm going to use heat transfer smooth, and I'm going to do a 2-blade, a 10/4, and I'm just going to keep it on the 8 speed because it's not really any intricate detail, so I can keep it on that. And then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send it over to my Silhouette Cameo 3. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the HTV on the mat with the pattern side up. Now I know this is different from the way you usually put HTV, but with this you're gonna put it with the back side down to the mat and the pattern side up. We're gonna go ahead and load it in and let the Silhouette Cameo 3 do its thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and pull the excess off of this film. There is like a little film that the HTV is on, so I'm going to go ahead and pull all of that off. Okay. Okay, this right here is the carrier sheet. So basically what I want to do is I want to separate the clear part from the paper part. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and separate the two, and then I'm going to take the carrier sheet and lay it directly on top of the design itself, and I'm going to smooth that out. Okay, let me see. So it basically should look like that. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to pull the back film, which is the one that was on the back of the design. I want to pull that away. Make sure it's all the way laid down. If it's still sticking, just push it back down as if you are using self-adhesive vinyl. But if you've never used self-adhesive vinyl, this is still the way that you use the pattern vinyl. So basically it should look like that. Okay. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now is I have my shirt here on the press. I'm using the Tessie heat press 15 by 15, and I'm basically going to just take my design and set it on my shirt. I'm probably going to line it up a little better off camera, and then I'm going to show you guys how I press. I am pressing on 320, and I'm on a medium pressure, and I'm going to press for 15 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to just peel it back, and there it is. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to use pattern vinyl. This technique should work for any type of pattern. The only difference is you may not have that carrier sheet on the back of the vinyl. Some of it you do, some of it you don't, so you want to make sure that you check that and check the instructions for your pattern vinyl. But for the most part, it's the same concept. So as usual, I have a my way so I can inspire you guys to have a your way.